Good afternoon, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at the MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today I want to be showing you a 2020 Boston Whaler 23-foot Vantage. This has definitely been one of our most popular styles of boats over the last 5-6 years. I'm going to walk you around the back of the boat, show you that this boat is equipped with the white Mercury Verado 300 V8 AMS mounting systems. The boat has a fishing package. Let's go ahead and get on board. Show you what's available. As we board the 23 Vantage from the rear of the boat, you'll notice right off the bat all the tremendous living space, room for many, many guests. You have a dual console, so it's a walk-through console. In the bow, you have the large bow seating area. There are options such as additional freshwater washdowns. You have your table mounts. And you work your way back to the back of the boat. On the port side, you have your head compartment. This one is with the upgraded vacuum flush head, which is a very nice feature. Not very often on the 23, but this boat was upgraded. We've opted not to put any electronics on the boat at the time being. That can be your choice of Raymarine, Simrad, or Garmin. The companion seat on the port side of the boat has lots of form and function, tremendous maneuverability with the backrest. You can lay it down flat. You can put it at several different reclining positions. And then of course, standard on the boat is this tremendous rear seating that folds up and away, completely out of the way in the cockpit. And on the starboard side of the boat, a little galley. Thank you for joining me today. Again, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at Fort Myers and MarineMax, showing you our 2020 Boston Whaler 23-foot Vantage. Please come by. I'll be happy to show you the boat.